Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in 2023. So when you've opened your Facebook app, just tap the profile icon at the top right corner, and then you need to scroll it down, head over to your settings and privacy. Now right over here, you need to tap on the settings, and here you need to scroll it down and you need to choose these access and control. So you just tap on this option so you can deactivate your account. So right here, you can see the option right here, the activation and deletion. So you need to tap on the second option. Now here you can see deactivating your account is temporary. Your account will be disabled in your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. So you just tap on continue. Here you can see the pages and profiles that will be deactivated. So you just tap on continue, and here you need to retype your password. Now here you need to choose the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So for this option, I will choose this. This is temporary. I'll be back, which is the first option right there, and tap on continue. And here you can see taking a break from your profile, reactivating your account. It says right here that if you plan on returning to Facebook, make sure that you still have access to the email address or phone number that you used to log into your Facebook profile. So you can just log in back here so you can activate again your Facebook account. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.